How did Elon Musk become the richest person in the world? I think it's possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary, Elon Musk. This is the most inspiring quote given by our tech billionaire, but have you ever wondered what we have to choose to become extraordinary? What does Elon Musk choose that made him the richest person in the world? Yes, it's hard work and dedication of years and years that blossomed and made him an overnight sensation. But how did this South African-born mogul get there in the first place? Curious to find out how he became the world's richest man? Like this video and stay tuned to find out. Hello everyone, welcome to Elon Musk Planet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss out on any news or updates on Tesla, its different projects, or anything else related to billionaire Elon Musk. That being said, let's get started with the video. Recently, Elon Musk did what seemed to be impossible when he was able to overtake Amazon's Jeff Bezos and become the richest man in the world. It was a huge jump, which was followed by a series of jumps. First, Musk passed Warren Buffett in July to become the 7th richest person. In November, Musk raced past Bill Gates to become the 2nd richest person. Musk has gained more wealth over the past 12 months than Gates' entire net worth of $132 billion. And then the 49-year-old entrepreneur's net worth hit $186 billion, or 136 billion pounds, at 10:15 a.m. in New York on Wednesday, making him $1.5 billion richer than Bezos, who had held the top spot since October 2017. Musk's wealth surge over the past year marks the fastest rise to the top of the rich list in history, and is a dramatic financial turnaround for the outspoken entrepreneur who just 18 months ago was in the headlines for Tesla's rapid cash burn and his personal leverage against the company's stock. Musk started 2020 worth about $27 billion and was barely in the top 50 richest people. Tesla's rocketing share price, which has increased more than 9-fold over the past year, and his generous pay package have added more than $150 billion to his net worth. Crazy, isn't it? But it hasn't always been smooth sailing for Musk. Here's how he went from getting bullied in school to becoming a small-time entrepreneur and eventually the CEO of 2 major companies that seem like they're straight out of science fiction, and how he almost went broke along the way, and then managed to become the richest tycoon. Let's see how. Elon Musk has always had his business instinct in his DNA. When he was only 10, he became acquainted with programming via the Commodore VIC-20, an inexpensive home computer. Before long, he had become proficient enough to create Blastar, a video game in the style of Space Invaders. He sold the basic code for the game to a magazine called PC and Office Technology for $500. Musk was 24 years old when he moved to California to pursue a PhD in applied physics at Stanford University, but he left the PhD program after just 2 days. As the internet began to take shape, in 1995, with $28,000 and his younger brother Kimball at his side, Musk started Zip2, a web software company that would help newspapers develop online study guides. In 1999, Zip2 was acquired by Compaq's Alta Vista web search engine for a whopping $340 million. Musk used his Zip2 buyout money to create X.com, which he intended to shape into the future of banking. X.com merged with Cofinity in 2000 to form PayPal, and was subsequently bought by eBay in 2002 for $1.5 billion. Musk found himself with a ton of new poker chips, and it didn't take long to find a new poker table to gamble them. Elon Musk is a larger-than-life character, a gambler, and a man who seems to put work and his vision before anything else in his life, including what most of us cherish more than anything: kids, family, and friends. Musk was not going to just sit on a pile of money and let it collect dust, and nor is he fond of lavish lifestyle. Musk split his fortune into 2. SpaceX. In 2001, Musk turned his attention to a space exploration. He started a creation known as Mars Oasis. This project was to make space exploration one of the top interests of the general public. He attempted to start this project with the help of Russian aerospace experts and designers. After failing to convince them for their assistance, Musk took it upon himself to launch SpaceX. The company would be tasked to build affordable rockets. Thus, the Space Exploration Technologies Corporation was born in 2002. In its near 2-decade history, Musk has achieved what seemed to be impossible for a private company. Musk said he intended to use half of his fortune to help problems on Earth and half to help establish a self-sustaining city on Mars to ensure continuation of life of all species in case Earth gets hit by a meteor like the dinosaurs or World War III happens and we destroy ourselves. The latter part is covering under SpaceX and for the former Musk established Tesla. Tesla needs no introduction today. Backing an electric car was long seen as a gamble, but over the last year, as the planet became ever more focused on the need to cut emissions and slow climate change, it is one that has paid off. The company holds the record for the best-selling electric vehicle with the Model 3, which always manages to rise to the top of the sales chart in any country. BMW, General Motors, Ford are all committing billions to transition to making electric vehicles as they attempt to catch up with Tesla. Tesla is now worth more than several auto companies put together in market capitalization, an insane growth for a company that is less than 2 decades old. Through 2020 until the present day, Musk's estimated net worth shot up to an unprecedented $266 billion, from roughly $20 billion in the previous year. This was largely due to Tesla's stock price rising in an upward trajectory. In March 2020, the stock price was $85, compared to its current price of just south of $899 as at the time of writing. So there's no doubt that Tesla held a major stake in Elon Musk's fortune. But do you know how Musk reacted to his big fortune? Musk responded to the news of his status as the world's richest person with tweets stating how strange and, well, back to work. Elon Musk may be a hero to some and a villain to others, but there is no doubt that he's worked hard to make himself the richest man in the world. Who would have thought that it all started with creating a video game at the age of 12? His work ethics are damn inspiring. A notorious workaholic, Musk doesn't spend cash on lavish vacations or expensive hobbies. Instead, the entrepreneur spends most of his time at the office or in factories, retreating to one of his 4 Los Angeles mansions at the end of the day. And if I have to conclude his story into one line, then it will be, success follows those who work hard. As simple as that. Musk tweets at 2 a.m., sleeps 4 hours a night if he sleeps at all, and keeps himself from collapsing with the help of a steady Coke and coffee diet. From sleeping in his factories for days to asking his employees to call him at 3 a.m. on a Sunday morning, the Tesla CEO takes hard work and sacrifice in its literal sense. There is no doubt that Tesla's CEO is a notorious workaholic. In 2018, during the Model 3 production hell, he often worked 120-hour weeks while sleeping at the Tesla factory. And this resulted that, under Musk's leadership, Tesla significantly expanded its footprint in 2020, bucking a pandemic and economic upheaval with steady sales and profitable quarters at a time when many car makers reported losses. Its success allowed Tesla to join the S&P 500 index, defying long-term skeptics who had bet against the company. As Elon Musk continues to dominate the headlines, it's unclear what his next move will be. But one thing is for sure, he is showing no signs of stopping anytime soon. How about you guys? What do you think? Comment below about what you think Elon Musk being the richest person in the world and what his next stop will be. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates about the precious and interesting content we keep on posting. This was it for today, guys. See you soon in the next video. Till then, peace out.